Reward apps are not all the same because some focus on simple tasks, while others make users complete complicated steps before seeing any value. By the end, you'll know how to separate reward apps worth testing from apps that waste your time, and what to check before using any earning platform. The first thing to look at is how the reward system works. A reliable reward app should clearly explain what actions earn points, credits, or cash rewards. Before spending time on an app, read the earning rules and check exactly what activities qualify. The second thing to check is the reward process. Some apps have multiple ways to earn, such as completing activities, trying offers, or participating in surveys. Focus on apps that clearly show your progress and explain how rewards are calculated. The third thing to check is redemption. A reward app is only useful if the process for claiming rewards is easy to understand. Before completing many tasks, check the available reward options and the steps required to redeem them. Another important factor is consistency. A good app should record completed activities correctly and provide clear updates inside your account. Check your balance and activity history regularly so you know whether your progress is being tracked properly. User feedback can also help identify problems. Look for repeated complaints about missing rewards, unclear rules, or issues with redeeming earnings. Use reviews as a reference, but always check the current app details because reward systems can change. When testing a new reward app, start with a small amount of time. Complete a few tasks first and see whether the experience matches what the app promises. Avoid spending hours on a platform before understanding how the earning and reward process works. The 5 reward apps that stand out are usually the ones that keep their systems simple, explain the rules clearly, and make it easy for users to understand what happens from earning to redemption. The biggest mistake people make is choosing apps based only on large reward claims. A better approach is checking whether the entire process is clear before committing your time. To summarize, review earning methods, understand redemption rules, and test reward apps gradually. Your next step is to compare apps based on transparency instead of promises. If this helped you find better reward apps, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews.